Hello and welcome back. We are doing question 9 of the complex trig handout. This handout is not in your textbook. Okay, let's take a look at what we have. We have a slot here and a circle, and it's telling us from the center point of this slot to the center point of this slot is 1.5 inches, and then it gives you two angles, and it says we want this length here. Okay, so I'm going to create a triangle. It looks like this. We're going to call, instead of calling this X, we're going to call this big B, or sorry, little b. And then we're going to call this angle here big B, which is 43. We're going to call this guy here, we're going to call this guy A, sorry, little a, 1.5, and we'll call this angle big A, and we'll call this guy C, and it's 65 degrees. We are going to use the sine law. Okay, now to use the sine law, big B, opposite, opposite, opposite. Take a look at our problem that we have here. We want to find this length here, but we don't have the opposite angle. We have this length here, but we don't have the opposite angle. But we do have two angles, so I'm going to go 180 minus 65 plus 43. 180 minus bracket 65 plus 43. And that turns out to be 72. So therefore this is 72. So now we do have a length and an opposite. We have an angle and our opposite length. So we can use our sine law. So we're going to say A sine A equals B sine B. Let's fill our numbers in. Our A number here is going to be 1.5 sine 72 degrees equals, we're going to call this guy B, and we're going to say sine 43. Cross multiply. B times sine 72 equals 1.5 times sine 43. We want to get B by itself. Divide both halves by 72, sine 72. B equals 1.5 times sine 43 equals, divide by sine 72 equals 1.075643269. 1.0746, so we drop that. So same number as our answer. This is a simple one, but it still can be quite confusing when you look at it. So it has a bunch of other things going on. I hope that this helps.